Welcome once again, y'all, to another episode of Sample Size Scents. My name is Eric, of course, and as always, I thank you so much for continuing to rock with me and just continuing to watch and continuing to support. Y'all, thank you. Thank you for the support. I truly appreciate it. And we're back with another episode. So I am here and I am trying another fragrance house that I haven't tried in a while. It's been probably around 2 years since I've last tried this one. And I said, you know what? I was thinking about it one day, just kind of looking at some of the newer ones that I want to buy from DKNX. Shout out to DKNX as always. And what I did was I went through, they have a history section where I'm able to go in and check some of the previous fragrances that I had. And I saw this one and I was like, damn, I forgot all about this fragrance house. And it's a very obscure fragrance house. And yeah, I'm actually interested in trying this one because I heard about this one a while ago. And so I ordered it. I picked it up or whatever. And I waited until I got it in or whatever because I really wanted to get first impressions, initial impressions on it and stuff like that. And rate it 1 to 10 like I always do. And so, but if you don't know anything about Acro, it's a niche fragrance house. They do have, when I remember them, I think they only had like maybe 7 or 8 fragrances, but now I think they've jumped up to almost like 13 or 14, I think, fragrances. I haven't counted all of them, but I was very surprised by them and very excited about trying this one. And the thing about Acro is that they have, as I said before, a very obscure fragrance scents. For instance, one of them is called Night, which is kind of like the nighttime or whatever. Another one is called Haze, kind of like that cannabis smell. And there's another one called Dark, which is very reminiscent to dark chocolate. And a lot of the notes or the note breakdown or whatever is very similar to certain like really obscure smells, right? I remember my favorite one, which was really, really weird. It was a really weird scent, and it was called Ink by Acro. And it was weird because it smelled just like ink, like tattoo ink, and I was like, damn, it's kind of weird, but it actually smells really damn good. I was very surprised by it. I do not recommend blind buying though. I will tell you that much. Do not blind buy any of these fragrances. The one I'm about to try from that house is Smoke by Acro. And again, this is another one that I really wanted to try because I'm familiar with it and I'm interested in what it smells like. Something tells me it's going to be really, really wicked. I don't know why. I don't know. I just really feel it's going to be different and very strong. I haven't smelled it yet. I have not opened it or anything. Like, this will literally be my first time opening up this sample. And so I said, yeah, let's go with it, and I got my trusty tester strip right here, stay strapped with the strips. Stay strapped with the strips. Okay. And I haven't smelled, again, obviously it smells like nothing, but so very simple note breakdown, actually. I want to say the top note was tobacco leaf, and then the middle note was birch. And let me spray this over here. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it here. And the bottom notes or the base notes are benzoin and benzoin and tonka bean is the bottom notes. Yo, I like this a lot. It smells like smoke, right? And you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of, what is it? A City on Fire by Imaginary Authors, which I've done a review on that one before. I'll put it up here somewhere, maybe here or over here. And I've done a review on the City of Fire. But this one it's like a sweet, smoky, I don't know. It's sweet and smoky. I think it's the tonka bean. And you know what I always say about tonka bean. Tongue bean is always one of my favorites, y'all. But it smells like, I mean, I don't know. It's really weird. It's like a sweet, smoky smell. Almost like a barbecue smell. You know what I mean? But I really like this. So I'm shocked by this one. Believe it or not. I actually thought this one was going to be a letdown. But as I said before, with Ink by Acro, I wasn't let down by that one. In fact, I really liked that one. It was a very strange smell, but I really liked the end result of that one. So this one I'm wearing this one. And it's not for everyone. I will 1000% tell you that. It is not. Please do not blind buy this. First of all, it's like $187 just to buy a bottle of it. I think the bigger bottle is like $180. Do not blind buy it. You can purchase a discovery set on their website. If you go to Acro, I think it's Acro Perfumes or something like that or whatever. I'll link it in the bottom of the show notes or whatever. Or I'll link it in the description. But if you go to Acro's website, you can buy a discovery set, and the discovery sets are like $40. And I want to say you get like maybe seven or 8 different fragrance scents. So you'll get like the haze, you'll get the awake, which is the coffee one. You'll get the dark chocolate one. You'll get the ink one. You'll also get the bakery one, which is kind of weird. It's more like a bakery scent, which I'm thinking more like a sweet scent. So this smells like a freshly lit match, a freshly lit sweet match. Sweet match. This is the 8.5 out of 10. And again, I think it's because I like obscure fragrances. This is an 8.5 out of 10, without a doubt. I am rocking this one. Definitely rocking it for the winter time. 100% rocking this during that time. The fall, like the late fall going into the winter. Man, it smells good. It's that sweet smoky smell, y'all. It's like a sweet barbecue. Yeah, I mean, I think it's kind of like a sweet barbecue smell. Pick this one up. Well, don't blind buy it. Go to either dknx.com and purchase it. A little sample. I think it was like $6 for the sample. Or go to the Acro website where you can buy a full discovery set. And you can try all of the different ones they have. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, until the next time, my name is Eric with Sample Size Insight. Thank you so much as always. And yeah, stay smelling good, y'all. Peace.